in this one, the Palisade, we are doing the rear bumper. It's a little cover thing, so let's get this open. So we got the box open. You can see here. This is the piece. I believe it's going to go on the back here. This doesn't seem right, but I'm going to double check that. But it's basically just a sticker, so you're going to have to clean the surface, make sure it's nice and clean. It does have a notch for center. You can see this rubber sealing is center. Center it real nice and easy. I was being bothered by other people, but I cleaned it up. And you can see where the center sticker was, which you can peel just a little piece off, just in the middle. That's where you want to start it. Line it up with here. See, it went down, not on this first little ledge here, on the second ledge. Got that. It actually comes with a little squeegee and a little cloth. So then I want to fold this down to stick it down, because I don't want air bubbles and stuff like that. I want it to be as smooth. I'm probably going to need two hands to try to make sure I get this down right. I went along it and kind of took my time, pulled it down. See, there's like a little pocket bubble there. I'm going to try to squeegee that out, otherwise I don't see any. Looks pretty centered, so I think I did alright. So there's how it looks with the tailgate closed. I'm not going to move the camera up higher because you got the license plate you don't need to see.